This video is sponsored by BetterHelp. It's time for pink! My favorite color, by the way. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video we have a very exciting one, specifically because pink is my favorite color, okay? It is, and I love it, and I'm so happy that this is the first color you guys also wanted. I did a poll over on my Instagram and asked you guys, hey, I'm going to do some color-specific crochet idea videos. Let me know what color you guys need. You're in desperate need, you have a lot of it, you don't know what to do with it, or we want to see that color. Overwhelmingly, the number one color was pink. So, this video is 50 pink crochet ideas. Let's get rid of that pink yarn, especially in time for Valentine's Day coming up. Okay, so let's go for it. Let's get into it. As always, everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. Like always, we've got a little bit of everything for everyone in this video, mostly beginner, a couple advanced, and we have 6 categories. So we've got tops, accessories, bags, tapestry grids, stuffed animals, and decor as our categories for this video. And we are going to jump right into the tops category. All right, so for tops, we have 4. Okay, not too many, but still cute. We have this really cute crochet pastel pink vest, perfect to kind of go under like a white button up, or even a red button up, or even a pink button up if you've got work on Valentine's Day. Start on it now, get it done, wear it on Valentine's Day. Adorable. You can also make this really cute dark pink, light pink checkered top and short set with some ruffles, or you can make this twisted crop top, pink twisted top. Okay, adorable. Or if you're like, girl, I just want to make a shrug, get rid of your pink yarn and make a pink shrug. Okay, perfect for Valentine's Day. Add on top of your outfit, because I know it's still cold outside, so it's kind of a cute little add-on for Valentine's. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying Valentine's because this is pink. Okay, it's not Valentine's, it's pink video. So that's all we have for tops. Let's jump into the accessory category. All right, so for accessories, we've got this cute rose flower bookmark. Adorable, I love it. Pink flower. Okay, you could also make these really cute fuzzy like bear earmuffs. Adorable. And you can make this beanie with some long bunny ears. Adorable. Love it, especially in pink. Okay, bunny ears in pink. Amazing. Crocheting can be kind of nice for stress relief, and especially if you're anything like me and you struggle with managing your stress and even your anxiety, crocheting is a perfect thing for that. You know what else is perfect? Therapy. Which brings me to this video's sponsor, BetterHelp. It's a new year, and it's a great time to start working on yourself, especially mental health and stress management, okay? I know for 2024, my goal is to really just manage my stress levels, manage my anxiety, get help for my anxiety, and just really thrive this year. Therapy can help you achieve these goals, okay? You can talk one-on-one with someone, work things through, plan out plans to overcome your stress and anxiety and other things like that. Really just get a handle on your mental health. Whether you want to change your career this year or you have something challenging that you're working through, therapy can really benefit you. You can click the link in my description or go to betterhelp.com/amazingpage to get 10% off your first month of BetterHelp. BetterHelp makes starting therapy easier and a lot less intimidating for a lot of people. BetterHelp lets you have therapy via phone call, video chat, or even messaging. So whatever the most comfortable version of therapy is for you, BetterHelp has it. BetterHelp can match you to one of over 30,000 therapists within their network based on your needs, preferences, and location. To get started, you fill out a questionnaire that'll ask you questions like what challenges you're going through and what kind of therapist you're seeking. And after that, BetterHelp will match you with a therapist. You'll be matched with a therapist in most cases within 48 hours. And you can schedule therapy sessions at a time that's convenient for you. And say you match with a therapist and you just feel like it's not really vibing and you want a different one, you can switch therapists at any time through your settings with no additional cost. Join over 4 million people who've used BetterHelp to start living a happier, healthier life. Click the link in my description or visit betterhelp.com/amazingpage. Clicking that link helps support this channel and it gives you 10% off your first month of BetterHelp so that you can connect with a therapist and see if it helps you. And now that we are all on the same track with our mental health, and let's get to crocheting and some stress management, okay? So let's crochet this really cute bow, okay, adorable. You can also make some leg warmers or even some arm warmers with cute little bows on them. You can make a balaclava with some long bunny ears, similar to the beanie I showed you earlier, but more of like a full balaclava, okay? You can also make this cute cherry AirPod case. That's all we have for accessories, so let's jump into the bag category. So for bags, we have this daisy crossbody bag. You can make this heart-shaped tulip bag, or even a basic granny square bag just with different shades of pink. You can make this crossbody bag that's got pink ruffles on it, or even a Hello Kitty bag. Okay, I know a lot of you are wanting a Hello Kitty video, and that one's coming soon too. You can also make this strawberry bag, or even this kind of like artsy shoulder bag. You can do heart granny squares or star granny squares and make bags like this, or even do this mini flower bag. Speaking of bags, I've decided to give you guys a little tapestry grid category so that you can really take any of these grids and make tote bags with them. So you've got this melody grid, a Bratz grid, okay? I picked things that were like usually pink. They're known for being pink, okay? So you can make this bow, use this bow grid, or this butterfly, these cherries, this heart, this milk, the love skeletons, or even this Hello Kitty grid, similar to the one on the bag I showed you in the other category, or this cherry grid, or this kind of like trippy, wavy heart grid. And if tapestry crochet is not for you and you're more of like an amigurumi stuffed animal girl, this category is for you. So let's jump into stuffed animals. So for stuffed animals, I've got this axolotl. You can make a pink octopus, a pink dinosaur, this really cute bunny with a little pink onesie, okay, adorable. You can make a strawberry cow or even a pink bunny, okay? I love it. You can make this pig or even just like cute little pig heads. Adorable. And then our last and final category is decor, my favorite category in every video that I do. You can make these really intricate flowers with pink, or even do like a cute heart flower coaster set, or a bundle of tulips, or even like this, or even these flowers. I love them, adorable. You can make these pink daisies. You can make this pink doily. I actually pulled this one from the 50 doily crochet idea video. You can make this heart-shaped pillow, or even make a star garland just with different shades of pink, or the pinks that you have around. You can also make this pink strawberry pillow too. And that is all I have for you for our 50 pink crochet ideas. Just a friendly reminder, everything I said will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. If you're looking for the picture specifically, I put them all on a Pinterest board. The Pinterest board is also linked down below. If you want to be involved in the giveaways that I'm doing every month over on my Instagram, just go follow me over on Instagram and stay tuned for those giveaways. I actually forgot to mention in this video, but this month's January giveaway over on my Instagram is a set of 20 crochet hooks, sizes 0.5 millimeter all the way up to 10 millimeter crochet hooks. It comes in a really cute hard case. Even you get some scissors, you get some crochet needles, and even like a bundle of stitch markers. It's a perfect beginner kit for you, or if you have a friend that's going to start crocheting, definitely head over to the Instagram, enter into the giveaway. I'm picking winners on January 26th. Good luck. But other than that, if there's a video you want me to do that I haven't done yet, comment down in the comment section and I will add it to my never-ending list, okay? I am slowly working through the list, slowly but surely, and I will get to your request, so please remind me in the comments if I haven't done it yet, okay? Other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!